Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite gray metallic. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch split Y-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got a black MB-Tex panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, a keyless entry, keyless go, a nice black natural grain black ashwood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has 33,059 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.